back to DunnZWorld. I'm done. If you're new here, let me give you a kiss, give you a hug, and tell you welcome. You love it here. And if you're returning, welcome back, fam. Welcome back, y'all. How y'all doing? It is a new year. Today is January 3rd, 2026. All right. Hey, man, we made it. We made it. Another trip around the world, another trip around the sun. Hey, y'all, we have entered into a new year. You should be blessed. Well, you should feel blessed. You should feel grateful, all those good things, because there's a lot of people who did not make it, all right? With that being said, all right, today we're going on a little journey. We are going on a little journey, and I figure I would bring y'all along with me because whenever we go on journeys, I got to bring my people, all right? So, me and wifey went on ahead and we rented a car, y'all. Rented a car, and we will be going to look for a couple of things today. First things first, we need to find some seat covers for this vehicle because we will be taking the dogs to get groomed soon as we find like an actual place for them. And also too, today we want to go look for like some furniture, like mainly some storage things, because we got a lot of clothes, we got a lot of shoes, we don't got nowhere to put it, and little closet space that is available to us in this home is not enough space. So we want to find like some little storage things, some things that we can kind of like, you know, put all our stuff in, even put like our hygiene stuff in and so forth. So we're gonna go on a little journey and look for that too. But let me show y'all this whip, all right? Let me show y'all this whip. Hey, stop.
I don't know. Where are you from? Where are you from?
America. How you doing?
England.
England?
Yeah.
I look American?
You look American, yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, supposed to. Yeah, tattoos, the bling, everything.
That was super dope. That was super dope. I just had a whole like 30-minute talk with my new neighbor who's from England. Super yadded up, super like just knowledgeable about different things, which it's so cool how you just meet different people, bro. Like, that's one thing I honestly am so grateful for. It's just being able to meet different people, bro. I just feel like that shit's just so valuable. Connections and networking is everything. It will take you far. But anywho, he's super cool. And honestly, I did not know that the people who lived in this lot on the other side, well, I ain't gonna say in the lot, but the house on the opposite side of the lot were moving. Because all this time, I was about to say, I was like, he said he just moved there 4 days ago. And I was like, but wait, I see somebody over there, but I guess they just moved out. But anywho, back to what me and you was talking about. I'm supposed to be showing you this whip. Let me show y'all this whip. So this is the whip ski. This is an MG. Don't ask me what that is because I don't know, but it's a cute little SUV. All right. As you know, or as you should know, the steering wheel is on the other side. So guess what? That means we're going to be driving on the other side of the road too. Buzzing. We're going to be driving on the other road, on the other side of the road. Oh, it's locked. But yeah, so this is a nice whip, y'all. Very nice, very nice. Did a full inspection of it, looked at it, took pictures, videos of every default discrepancy that we saw. It has a nice size back seat, well, trunk area, because we will be taking the dogs with us one of these days, just to have them, to get them out and about, but also to get them groomed, because they need to be groomed. Jesus. It don't make no sense. These dogs need to be groomed bad. When I say bad, I mean bad with a B-A-D, okay? But that is the whip, y'all, and I'm just excited. I'm just excited to get out here on this road. I'm just excited to like just do a little bit more exploring. I feel like the biggest thing for both of us is just the fact of having to constantly wait. Like, calling a grab is cool because the grabs are super cheap. $3 here, $5 there, $4 here. You know what I'm saying? Like super uber cheap, but it's just the fact that you gotta wait. And sometimes they don't even be close by. Sometimes it be busy, so you gotta wait 30 minutes to an hour. So used to just getting up and going. So that's why I was just like, you know what? We're gonna get this rental car, and so we can go ahead and do all the things we need to do. And then not only just that, we are going to be starting school in a couple of weeks. So we definitely need a car. And since we are going to be starting school, we need to go ahead and like just have like an idea of like our commute to and from school. And the good thing about that is that we're also going to start going to the gym. We need to go to the gym, y'all. We got to get back in the gym but the gym and the school is on the same block. So we're trying to get an idea. We want to have an idea of just that commute. You know what I'm saying? So we needed a car. And then we also want to get used to being on the road because, bro, we done tried the bike. And it's just not for us. And then that's not even the gist of it. Like, people are dying and losing their lives on these bikes, these mopeds, these motorcycles, these trikes, whatever. All right, these two wheels. People are losing their lives, and I feel like a lot of people who come over here into Thailand, like, they underestimate these bikes. Like, bro, it's not easy to drive them motherfuckers. Like, it's not easy, and this is not the road to get on to try to figure it out. So, and I've learned by experience. So I'm gonna stick to what I'm used to, and that's driving a car. So that's just a little tidbit for y'all in case you are looking to move to Thailand. It's not easy to ride the bike, whatever. It's not easy. And then for us, as far as our specific situation, it's just not convenient, because why are we gonna get a bike and we got 2 dogs? We need a car so that we can take them to their appointments, or, you know what I'm saying, take them out and about, or take them to get groomed, or just what have you. You know what I'm saying? It just makes sense. So that's why we got a vehicle. But yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and fall off into this car, because like I said, I'm just super excited, bro. I'm super excited. Baby's gonna be driving first, so I'm going to be recording her and also be like her TC. If you've been in the military, and you already know what I'm talking about when I say TC. But yeah, Lego. I did not show y'all the fit of the day. Hold on one second, I'm trying to find Bluey. So I don't know if y'all do this, which you should if you got dogs. But whenever we leave the house, we always leave something planned for the dogs. So it's either they either get Bluey or they get the Boondocks. Today they're getting Bluey. But I like to just, have something planned so that they can be somewhat attentive but also entertained. Even though they entertain themselves, I still like to have something planned. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. It just makes sense to me, because kind of like when you have a baby, even before you have the baby, if you talk to the baby, it's going to be a lot more easy for the baby to start communicating with you. Like, the baby ain't going to have no problems talking and stuff like that and understanding you. So I think it's more of like an understanding thing for the dogs, and just making sure that they entertain and learning too. But let's get into the fit. So I have on this t-shirt from Los Angeles Archives, Gap t-shirt, black t-shirt, and then I have on some black sweat shorts from Minimal, regular black socks. I do have on my Coach satchel bag, all right, and I got my bun. And then on the feet skis, got these keysies so we can lock the doorsies. Today I'm keeping it real simple, all right? We're going real simple, real plain. Something that y'all, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I'm about to put y'all on real quick. So when you think about the structure of your feet, right? Your feet is not meant to be in closed, conflicted, constricted spaces, i.e. a sneaker, a dress shoe, so on and so forth. So your feet is supposed to be spread out as such, and just basically comfortable in its own, I don't even know, whatever length it is that you feel comfortable with, the spreading out your feet, or your feet just being relaxed, all right? But you can't do that if you are wearing sneakers every day. So I feel like it's just so much healthier and better with wearing sandals, which I see that very popular here, not even just here, just a lot of other places, like to wear sandals. And ever since I've been wearing sandals, like, I kid you not, like, my feet feel so much better. Like, I don't know, like, they still hurt though from time to time because my knees be killing me. And then I don't know, I think it just come with old age. When you sit too long, or if you lay too long, your feet just be hurting you. Boy, I don't know, y'all making the most noise with this truck. But yeah, like, it's just so much better, y'all. And then when I put on some sneakers, I could tell a big difference. But yeah, so let me lock this door up. But yeah, so I'm about to open up this gate so that baby can drive out. I'm gonna close it back, and I'm gonna catch y'all when we get in the car. And let go.
If you know me, know this ain't my fun sway. Certified everywhere, ain't got a print a resume. Take off. Talk crazy, I pull up underlay. RP to Nate, dog. I had to regulate. Public service announcement.
We have made it to our first location, y'all. Petnik Hoi Hin, all right? Now, baby, how you feel? How was it driving? The car ride smooth. You did your big one.
It's a little loud. You can tell it's a little old.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's pretty cool. It's pretty smooth. And just the fact that you're already used to driving, even though you're on the opposite side of the road, it's not bad.
Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So, like I told y'all, we are going in here to look for some stuff for the doggies. Might even grab another bag of food if they got it. But specifically, a cover for the seats and just whatever things we may see fit for the doggies. Let's see what they got. This man for like little dogs. Dang, we get one of these. Oh yeah, these are cute. The cute little dog backpacks. Look at the stroller for the dog. This is cute.
Boy, if they could fit in this,
Dang.
they probably would be in there.
It's a lot of dog food. I don't know though. What you know about that song?
Right.
What you know about that song? Drip, drip. Like that's both sides of lips. Mwah. Wow, I might not have what we're looking for, guys. It is pretty dark. Yeah, I don't think.
Seems like it's just like blue.
So this spot was a fail. Not completely though, because at least we know what they have in there. They have a lot of like food, treats, leashes, stuff like that.
4.8 miles away.
Yeah, so they didn't have what we were looking for as far as like a seat cover for the dog. So we'll probably have to go with the other idea that I had in mind, which was to just put them way in the back, because that's basically how they were transported to the home that we're currently living in by our realtor. So on to the next spot, y'all. On to the next spot. In the next spot, we are heading to a furniture store, all right? Like I told y'all, we need some storage containers, some storage bins, something for our clothes, for our personal hygiene products. We just need some stuff, y'all, all right? So, let go. Look at all these couches. You know, but they might have a topper in here.
Over there on the other side. Okay. So
Yep.
the other side
That will do me, guys. Had a pretty busy day today. It's about time I take a little cedar. It's a comfy couch. This might be the one, y'all.
right on the walk-in.
Right on the walk-in. This might be it.
How many of these do you think you would need?
I don't know. Maybe 2. Yeah. 2 will probably do. Miniature tough boxes, y'all. So I've never seen nothing like it, but pretty neat. Which I feel like all this would do is take up space, so we ain't even worrying about getting that. But we might get these thingy-mabobbers. But we gonna walk around and see what else they got up in here, y'all. And then I'm gonna let you know what we do next. Got a blast.
Thailand.
That
And
feels so cool.
Field Hotel. Field Hotel. Yes.
Oh, that is like a hotel pillow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
995 baht นะ cheaper before 1995 baht 50% 995 baht you can washing machine
Okay, nice.
Yeah. How much you said this was?
This is 8,995.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
100% ค่ะ
8,000?
8,900.
Golly.
Well, I mean, it is a king size. We got a
That's how
king
much a
size
topper
bed.
usually is? 8,000 baht?
I mean,
Not 8,000 baht. 8,000 is like $300.
Down.
Like $400.
Really?
ดาว 100%
Yeah. That's crazy.
It's 285.
That's
But
crazy
it's
for a
king
topper.
size. If you want to,
Okay, look up a topper real quick. Let's see.
Yeah, well, you won.
Oh, you only,
only
only
one?
one?
Okay.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Yeah, let's see if it was at Tiger. It's about 161, 108. So it's a little bit more expensive.
Yeah, like, but it's just right. Yeah.
Short taps mean stay, long strokes mean go.
Hands talking fluid when I touch you real slow. Body sending signals like a real true roll. I'm locked in, baby, tapped in like Morse code. Dot, dot, dash, got you moving all in sync. Why you yelling at me when you ride it on the sink? Ain't no capping, baby girl, you already know. I'm tapped in like Morse code.
Got me tapped in, cash out investments right on your back end.
So we have made it to another section of the Index Furniture Mall, I think is what it's called. But this is like an actual supermarket. So we're just looking around, seeing what type of food they got that we don't got. Just taking a little sneak peek. See, we was just in this area with all of the nice little furniture and stuff and little trinkets, but you're not allowed to go in here without paying for your stuff. So we pay for our stuff first, put it in the car, and now we're back at it. So let's see what they gives at. Oh, pomegranate. Oh, little oranges. Oh, little apples. Oh, the carrots. Oh, cucumbers. Breadcrumbs. Oh, candy. Oh, papaya. Yeah, let's see what they got. Let's see what they got. So we actually got a lot of shopping done, y'all. As you can see, like the car is packed to the brim. We got groceries, trash can, storage units, kitchen stuff, bathroom stuff. Like we got a whole bunch of stuff, y'all. So I am pooped, right? But yeah, y'all, like got some variety here. Like just look at all of that. Yeah, but yeah, so I would say we had a pretty productive day, and we literally accomplished all the things that we said we was going to do, especially the things that I said that, you know, we were going to do in the beginning of the video. Only thing we weren't able to do is find a cover for the seats for the dogs, but that's fine. I think right now I'm probably going to head home. Yeah, I'm going to head home, drop this stuff off, and decide on if we're going to come back out, because like I said, I'm pooped, y'all. We both pooped. We'll probably decide from there. But thank y'all so much for tuning in. You already know what to do. Make sure you like this video, comment this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you are subscribed. It's a lot of y'all that be watching my videos and y'all not even subscribed. So make sure you are subscribed. I'm gonna go ahead and close this on out. But until next time, fam, peace.